Okay, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Galisha Distira. I'm a college student from the Faculty of Information System. Now, let me show you about my presentation. I will discuss a comparison between a Ryzen processor and an Intel processor. But before we talk about comparisons to processor, it would be better if we know what a processor is and what it does. Okay, the processor is a piece of hardware, or you could say hardware, that has a role to be the brain of a system. The processor is one of the important components on a computer or gadget that has a function to process data and control the system. The processor is in charge of calculating and executing commands from the user. The processor is located in the socket on the motherboard, but if it is on a PC device, we can adjust or customize or replace it as needed. Okay, the function of the processor itself to process data. So the processor will manage an incoming data through the input section, then data is processed, which produce output data that pass through the output. Be aware, the processor cannot work alone without the help of other components which at least have the same speed of can compensate for the processor itself. One of the supporters needed by the processor is the role of RAM. Okay, let's we talk about comparison between Intel and Ryzen sales user in Indonesia. Okay, Intel has 60% user in Indonesia, and then Ryzen has 40% user in Indonesia. Next. Okay, Intel has unstable frame per second. Frame per second means if you get a great frame per second, you always get a good picture and smooth graphic and high definition picture. And then Ryzen has stable FPS than Intel FPS. Next, Intel has a cache size is larger than Ryzen. Cache is mean if you after watch YouTube, you always make trace data. If you watch the video, after the video you will always get a cache, yeah. Okay, but Ryzen cache is lower than Intel, so you don't worry to Ryzen, because Ryzen make a lower cache data. Just don't worry. Next, Intel make your laptop is more overhead. Your laptop is going overhead and maybe your laptop is hang gitu, and your laptop is automatically turn off. And then next, Ryzen is a cooler than Intel processor. So if you play games, it has many RAMs, high RAMs. You don't worry to think your laptop is turned off automatically. And then okay, let's we talk about price comparison. Intel Core i7 10700K. The price is $419. And then Ryzen 5 200 2400G price is $199 US dollars. Okay, the conclusion. From the above comparisons, we can see that AMD Ryzen is superior to Intel Core, although not in all aspects of comparison. For those of you who use a PC only to play games, it seems suitable to use an AMD Ryzen processor because of its cheaper price and winning middle and performance. However, if you have a lot of money and want to build high-end PC, you can choose to use an Intel Core processor because of its superior performance in the high-end class. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you for attention and bye.